Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change tips for your earbuds SKULLCANDY Jib True. You have to start by remove the old ear tips. Here we go. Now the right one. Here we go. Now select new ear tip size and after that attach it. So I'm going with this one and let's attach them. Here we go. And now the right one. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later!